Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Yemeni tea. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need black tea leaves, fresh water, and milk for the foundation. For that signature flavor, have sugar, cardamom pods, and cloves on hand. Don't forget a sturdy saucepan and a fine mesh strainer to ensure a smooth, delightful brew. Getting everything ready makes the process much easier. Now, let's start brewing the tea base. Begin by bringing 2 cups of water to a rolling boil in your saucepan. Once boiling, carefully add 2 tablespoons of your chosen black tea leaves. Reduce the heat and let it gently simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. This step is crucial for extracting a rich, robust flavor that forms the heart of your Yemeni tea. Next, it's time to infuse our tea with its distinctive aroma and creaminess. Pour 1 cup of milk into the simmering tea mixture. Then, add 4 crushed cardamom pods and 3 whole cloves for that authentic spice. Stir in 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, or adjust the sweetness to your personal preference. Let these flavors meld beautifully together. For the final touch, allow the tea to continue simmering gently for another 5 minutes. This ensures all the flavors are fully developed and harmonized. Once ready, carefully strain the hot tea through a fine mesh sieve directly into your serving cups. Your delicious, aromatic Yemeni tea is now complete and ready to be enjoyed immediately. Sip and savor this wonderful tradition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.